Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Learning Support. I am Priya. In our earlier session we have completed question 1, 2, 3 of exercise 1A, chapter exponents. In this session we will do only question 1 of exercise 2B as it has 16 sub-questions, and the remaining questions, that is from question 2 to 14, will be done in next sessions. So we are going to complete our full exponents chapter. So let us start our exercise 2B. First sum, 1 raised to the power 8, that means 1 has to be multiplied 8 times by itself, will get the answer 1. 3 raised to 0, that means any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. 5 cube is 5 multiplied by itself 3 times, and we have 2 square, 2 into 2. Now we just have to multiply all these numbers. We can do it easily. 5 5s is 25, 25 4s is 100, and 100 into 5 gives the answer 500. Question 2, we have power of power. So we will multiply these two powers. We have 7 2s are 14 here, and minus 3 multiplied by 4 will give minus 12. Now these two terms have same base, so we'll add the powers, but your minus sign is there, so we'll subtract. So we have 4 square, which gives us answer 16. Question 3, we'll take this in denominator, and when we bring it up, this minus 11 becomes plus 11. We are following the rule negative exponent. 1 upon a raised to minus 1 is equals to a raised to plus 1. So minus 9 plus 11 is 2, and we'll multiply these two powers. We have 2 3s are 6 here, and 2 raised to 6, that means 2 multiplied by itself 6 times will give answer 64. Fourth question, we have negative powers. To change them into positive, we'll do reciprocal, that is 2 by 3 is changed to 3 by 2 and power has become positive. Again same thing here, to change minus 2 to plus 2, we have exchanged denominator and numerator. 8 by 27 we got. Now 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, we have 8 square and 27 square. On cancelling this, we get the answer 4 by 9. Fifth sum, 56 by 28 raised to 0. Now any number or any term raised to the power 0 will always have answer 1. Here we are first converting this division to multiplication. So we have done change 2 by 5 to 5 by 2. 16 is written as 2 raised to 4 and 25 as 5 square. Now we separate this fraction, we'll write as 5 cube here and 2 cube here. Now we'll take terms with same base. These two are with same base. When we take this up, it becomes minus 2. So 3 minus 2, we have 1 5 here. These two terms are with same base. So this 3 will go up and will become minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we have 1 here. 5 2s are 10 is the answer. Sixth question, we'll change this negative sign to positive by taking reciprocal. This 12 is split into 4 into 3 and separated. So when we take this 3 square up, it will become minus 2. That will give us 1 3. And in denominator we have 4 square, which is 16. Our seventh sum, we have 3 terms with same base minus 5. So if the terms are multiplied, we add the power, and whatever is divided is subtracted. So 4 plus 6 gives us 10, minus 9. We are left with 1. Our answer is minus 5. 8th sum. Again we have 3 terms with same base minus 1 by 3. This I have taken down in the denominator. Multiplication will add the powers, and this division we will subtract the power. 4 plus 5, 9, minus 8 gives us 1. So we have answer 1 by 3. 9 sum, 9 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 4 raised to minus 1, to make it positive, we have changed it to 1 by 4. And this also is made positive by reciprocating it. 1 by 4 into 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So if we cancel it, we get the answer 4. 625 raised to power minus 3 by 4. Now in this, we'll find factors, or you should know in exponential form what is the answer for 625. I've done factors here. 625 is 5 raised to 4. So I've written 5 raised to 4. So we have to make it in such a way that this denominator of this power gets cancelled. So here 4 and 4 will get cancelled, and we have minus 3. And to change it into positive, we do reciprocal, and 5 cube is 125. 5 multiplied 3 times by itself. This is 125 is the answer. 11th sum. 27 and 64 will change in exponential form so that this 3 gets cancelled. So 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube. I have clubbed these two numbers together and with a common power. If you cancel this 3 and 3, we are left with minus 2. To make this positive, 3 by 4 is changed to 4 by 3, and we have 4 square as 16 and 3 square as 9, which is our answer. Question 12. 1 by 32 is changed to 2 raised to the power 5. If you multiply 2 by itself 5 times, the answer is 32. So we have changed this in exponential form. When we multiply these two powers, 5 gets cancelled and we are left with power minus 2. We change it to positive by doing reciprocal. 1 by 2 is changed to 2 by 1, and 2 square is 4. 13th sum. 125 is 5 cube. So when we multiply these two powers, we are left with minus 2. 8 is changed to 2 cube. If you multiply these two powers, we are left with 2. Now this division is converted to multiplication, and this minus 2 power is converted to positive by doing reciprocal. So we have 1 upon 5 square and 1 upon 4. 25 fours is 100. So we have answer 1 by 100. Question 14. 243 is 3 raised to 5. That is, if you multiply 3 5 times by itself, answer is 243. And if you multiply these two powers, 5 gets cancelled and we are left with 2. 32 is 2 raised to power 5. Multiplying these two powers, 5 gets cancelled and we have minus 2 as a power. To change it into plus, we do its reciprocal. We change this division sign to multiplication. Again we do reciprocal. We have 3 square 9, 2 square is 4, and if we multiply we have answer 36. Question 15. Minus 3 raised to 4. We have written as it is. Anything raised to 0 is 1. This is same, and your 64 is written as 2 raised to 6. Now minus 3 raised to the power 4 will give us 81. Any negative number, if it is multiplied even number of times, will give positive answer. Now here minus 2, if we multiply 5 times, answer will have minus sign. So this minus and minus will become positive here. And here we are cancelling this. So we are left with 2 raised to 4. Now this division sign, I'm taking this 2 raised to 4 in the denominator and then subtracting it, because they both have same base 2. So 5 minus 4 is 2 raised to the power 1. And here we got 81. So 81 plus 2 is 83. Now question 16. 27 is 3 cube. We multiply these two powers, 3 gets cancelled, and we have 3 square. Now this minus power is changed to plus by doing reciprocal. So 81 by 16 changes to 16 by 81. 16 is 2 raised to 4 and 81 is 3 raised to 4. If we multiply these powers, 4 is cancelled and we are left with 2 by 3. Now this 3 square is 9. So 9 divided by 2 by 3 we have. Again we'll change this division to multiplication by doing a reciprocal. On cancelling this, no, this doesn't get cancelled. So 9 3s are 27 by 2. We change it into mixed fraction. We have the answer 13 1 by 2. So our today's studies are over. I hope you're following the rule, watch it and do it. It is important that you all should do the exercise on your own. And our new viewers, please subscribe and like it if you like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.